Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you're on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button, give us a like. Also, if you want to see all the still pictures of this vehicle or anything else we have in our lot, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. Today we're showing you a brand new arrival Ram 1500 Crew Cab, bright red in color, under 20,000 miles on this thing, 2018. Very nice truck. Starting on the front, you're going to notice you do have the front monitoring system. It runs along the front bumper. Very clean truck. I don't notice any dents or scratches, even rock chips anywhere on this thing. All in all, extremely good condition. Tires seem to be in good shape. It does have the upgraded, as you can see, the chrome rim there. It's a 20-inch rim. Blacked out step-up bars running along the side. Whoever previously owned this did not put a rear mat in here at all, and as you can tell, it's barely been used. There is some scratches in that bed, but I've seen a lot worse. It's in very, very good condition. So just a testament to how he took care of the truck. Backup camera located on this. That's a factory backup camera. You do have the rear monitoring system just like you do the front. Dual exhaust on this particular truck, and then you also do have your trailer tow package on this with your 4 and 7 pin wiring hookup. This vehicle is 4-wheel drive, if I did not mention it up front. This vehicle is a Chrysler certified vehicle. Definitely an advantage when buying a used vehicle. It comes with a 7-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty, a 3-month, 3,000 mile maximum care coverage. This vehicle has been inspected by a Chrysler certified technician. You get roadside assistance. You get free Sirius radio if the vehicle has it for a short period of time. You get a Carfax and much more. So there's definitely a huge advantage with buying a truck just like this one that's been Chrysler certified. Power side mirrors, power folding side mirrors, power windows and power locks, power driver's seat with power lumbar, automatic overhead headlighting, and as you can see, it is a cloth seat, and it does have a front bench seat. So what you get with the bench seat, you have the option of simply flipping it up and making that for your 6th passenger, or leaving it down. Cup holders right here, and a small center console right there. You also have capability of programming your phone directly into this truck, so you no longer have to answer your phone or reach for your phone while driving down the road. Simply hit the phone button, carry on the conversation directly through your speaker system. All these controls down here are going to operate your instrument cluster right there located on the center of the dash. Cruise control located on the right. You do have the option of shifting gears manually if you'd like. And on the back of the steering wheel, we'd have the capability of increasing and decreasing the volume of the radio and the radio station. Turn button when it comes to the reverse, neutral, and drive system. And like I said, outside it does have the factory backup camera, just like right there. Push button 4-wheel drive system. AM, FM, Sirius XM radio, so you would get a free subscription with this particular truck since it is a Chrysler certified one. Media capability, so you can download media directly into this radio. You do have all your climate features built into the radio. Controls as far as looking at your backup camera, dimming a mirror, all that can be done inside the radio without being in reverse. So very nice feature to have. You can operate your radio right here from the 2 outside knobs, and right here in the center you have a second option when it comes to your climate control, so you can operate it right here with these sections right here or inside the radio. Tow haul button, like I said, you do have the front and rear monitoring system. The button for those are right here. AC plug built in up front. You also do have a 12-volt DC down here also. So all in all, extremely good condition. You also do have memory garage door openers. Up to 3 can be programmed at one time. And just like the driver's seat, as you can tell, the passenger seat's in very good condition. The floor is in very good condition. Definitely a truck worth taking a look at. Rear seat is definitely in awesome condition. Rear floorboard's in good condition. No tears, no rips in any of the seats. Just an all in all extremely nice truck. This vehicle is located at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you're on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button, give us a like. Also, if you want to see all the still pictures of this truck, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com.